When I first got into the lowboy heavy haul division of our company, we went out and we looked at who are the main players using, and Talbert kept on coming to the top of the list, and that relationship has grown into owning over 10 trailers in the past 20 years. We haul mainly construction equipment as well as cranes and a lot of yellow iron, which is extremely heavy, and so we're constantly putting 90 to 110,000 pounds on the trailers. The type of equipment we haul is very specialized, it's very expensive and heavy, and we need a trailer that adapts to that, and Talbert has done a phenomenal job at doing that. There's many things that keep us coming back. Number one is the quality of the trailer. It's a very strong trailer, it's also light, and it's able to equal out the weight along all the axles. Talbert is very user-friendly at customizing the trailer for our needs and our customers. We have other trailer manufacturers, and Talbert really does a great job. It's a large company, but you get that small, family-owned feel from the company when you're ordering a couple $100,000 trailer.